the description box below, so please do make sure to open the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day, hope you have a lovely week, hope you have a lovely month, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. How I align my wig cap on the head, I basically pull it back to about that length, and I take a pin and just pin this down, so when I am sewing it on, it doesn't move and get smaller, so it doesn't shrink. My frontal on the head, like I said previously, this wig cap can be quite small, so what I like to do, what I normally do with my wigs is I place it a bit more forward than the actual wig cap, so I don't stop it here. I move it forward a bit more, so that gives me more space at the back to add tracks in the back as well. And if you like your hair quite full, this is another trick that would benefit you. Pin both sides down. I'm gonna start with one side. You see, I've gone ahead and stitched down my frontal, and that's what the stitches look like. It's very secure, it's not moving, it's not going anywhere. And yeah, like I said, I pulled it a bit forward than the actual wig cap to give me a bit more space at the front and make the wig generally bigger. And yeah, and alright guys, as you can see, I've separated these bits here because these are gonna serve as my baby hairs. So I've taken it out of the rest of the frontal. Maybe you guys can't see it properly. So yeah, these hairs here are gonna be my baby hairs. So I'm just gonna work and try and thin out the front of the frontal here. And I don't know how to explain how I tweeze the frontal. I just kind of go with the flow and just so I'm happy with the way it looks anyway. And I think it's a good idea to always walk away, like take a few steps back, look at what you're doing and come back in, because we're so close up to what we're doing, it can feel a bit, sometimes you might not see it properly, you might not see certain things, and you just have to walk away to have a look at it from afar and come back and make adjustments really. Alright guys, I'm back, and what I've done here is I took off the wig from the stand, and I put a plastic bag over my head, my wig head. I don't know what do you call these? Mannequin head, that's the word. Over the mannequin head, and I'm just gonna part the hair and I'll pack it up like so. Guys, look what I just got in a post. Look what I just got in a post. Ooh. Hey, hey, hey. How do I look? All I can see is yellow. Literally.